you officially decided to become a social media virtual assistant or a social media manager, and yet you have no idea what content to post on your social accounts. Yikes! But that's why I'm here to help you figure it out. In this episode, I will share with you some tips on how to plan and create your social media content. But before jumping to it, please show some support to my channel by subscribing and sharing this with your friends. By the way, at the end of this video, you'll be seeing some of the bloopers I made when filming this video. So if you wanna laugh a bit and make your Sunday a bit fun, then better stick around until the end of this video. But please, 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 don't laugh too hard, okay? First things first. Choose topics that you love to talk about. It's painful to post content that you don't even care about or you're not interested in. For example, posting project management tools that you don't even use. Don't post something that you just researched on Google. Post something that you have on-hand experience, or it's something that you use, or it's something that you're interested to try. What I want you to do is to get your pen and paper and write 5 topics that you would like to create content about. That will serve as your content pillars. For example, motivational or inspirational quotes, motherhood, lifestyle, fitness and health, business. It's up to you. But take note though that whatever content you'll be putting out there, make sure to create a meaningful and relevant captions that goes with it. Let's say you want to share a quote. Don't just post a photo with a quote. Make sure to add a personal touch in it. Make sure to add your thoughts about the quote or share an experience related to the quote. You can do this with other content pillars that you have. Second, if you are running out of content ideas or you only have 3 content pillars, you may do a market research. You can make use of tools and platforms to know what your ideal clients or your target audience would like to know more about or learn more about. I use these tools or platforms whenever I run out of ideas. Pinterest, YouTube, blog posts, Answer the Public tool, social media posts of related niche, and Facebook groups. But again, make sure that when you create a content, add a personal touch. Let's say you did your research and decided to post something about content creation tips. So add a personal experience in it. Let's say, have you been struggling to find ideas on what to post on your social accounts? Well, I've been in that exact situation days ago and found out and figured out that there are actually tools and platforms that we can use to help come up with great content ideas. Here are the 5 tools that I've been talking about. Blah, blah, blah. And in the end of your caption, my personal favorite is blah, blah, blah. So you see, even if you did a research on what to post and got some ideas from all those tools and platforms, you still managed to add a personal touch. It's very important to make your content or your captions personable, relatable, meaningful, and relevant, and something that is very human. Show your face once in a while. People would like to know that there's a real person behind your social account. When you post a photo of yours, you build a connection with your audience, and connection is super powerful in the social media world. Post something about yourself, your hobbies, your interests, anything that you want to share about you and what you do. You may not know it, but people want to know more about you. So don't be shy. Fourth, figure out the frequency of your posting. If you know or if you think that you can post every single day, then go for it. But you will eventually hit a burnout in the long run. So, posting 3 times a week is the sweet spot. After figuring out the frequency of your posting, make sure to set a fixed day and time on when to post and stick to your schedules for consistency. And fifth, break the monotony. Try to post different media: a photo, a video, an audio, a carousel post, or even a GIF. Make your posts more engaging and interactive and fun. Make sure to add variety not only on your topics but also on how you present your content. There you go. Those are my tips for you for today, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any other questions, we can discuss them in the comment section below. Pro tip: always add a call to action in every post you make because that encourages engagement from your audience. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Thing that you use, or it's something that you wanna want. Don't just post what you researched, what your don't just post. People will appreciate that. People will post an or even a GIF. Any other questions or anything else that you'd like? If you have any other questions, we can discuss this. If you have any other questions, we can discuss them in the comment section below.